Meaning of decease.
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 Decease. The term decease refers to the act of dying or the state of being dead. It is often used as a formal and respectful way to refer to someone's death. The consequences of decease are significant and irreversible, as it marks the end of a person's life. It can be an emotional and difficult experience for those who are left behind, as they have to deal with grief and loss. The impact of someone's decease can also have a wide-reaching effect on the community and society as a whole, particularly if the individual was well-known or influential.